Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to write text in a triangle shape in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to write text in triangle shape. Go to the Insert menu. Then select the Shapes drop down menu and we can see here many shapes. We select the triangle shape. Then draw these shapes, press Shift on our keyboard. Now we want to write text in this triangle shape. Click right button on our mouse and select Add Text. Then we can see here show the cursor. Now we want to write anything, write on our keyboard. You can change the size and more thing. Go to the text box menu and increase the size. Otherwise you can change the color. Select the colors option and change color. Now we can see we write text in triangle shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.